হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, জেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আমি আগের ভিডিওতে প্রোডাকশান ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং রিলেটেড কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে তোমাদের সাথে আলোচনা করেছিলাম। আজকে তার তৃতীয় পর্ব। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, এ সিঙ্গেল ভি অ্যান্ড সিঙ্গেল ইউ বাট ওয়েলস আর ফর সিটস অফ অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেট থিকনেস 5 to 15 mm. For welding plates of thickness less than 5 mm, beveling of its edges is not required. For welding plates of thickness more than 12.5 mm, beveling of its edges is done to a double V or U groove on both sides. In single V butt welds, the angle between edges is kept about 70 degree to 90 degree. In welding, a flux is used to permit perfect cohesion of metal to remove the oxides of the metal formed at high temperature. এই দুটোই হবে। Plain and butt welds can be used for sheet saving thickness approximately 25 mm. In electrical resistance welding, cleaning of metals to be welded is important. Next, in electrical resistance welding, when the current passes through the metal, the greatest resistance is to point of contact of metal to be welded. Welding of chromium, molybdenum steels cannot use electric resistance welding. In electric resistance welding, voltage is low and current is high. In electrical resistance welding, voltage required for heating is in the range of 6 to 10 volt. In electrical resistance welding, pressure applied varies in the range 250 to 550 kgf per centimeter square. In electric resistance welding, two copper electrodes used are cooled by water. 14. Amount of current required in electric resistance welding is regulated by changing the primary turns of the transformer. 15 number question, welding in which the metal to be joined are heated to a molten state and allowed to solidify in presence of the filler material is known as fusion welding. An example of fusion welding is gas welding. The welding in which the metal to be joined are heated to the plastic state and then forced together by external pressure without the addition of filler material is known as plastic welding. An example of plastic welding is forge welding. Spot welding, the projection welding and seam welding are classification of electric resistance welding. The welding process in which two pieces to be joined are overlapped and placed between two electrodes is known as spot welding. Spot welding is used for welding lap joint in plate having thickness 0.25 mm to 1.25 mm. Material difficult to be spot welded is copper. Number of zones of heat generation in spot welding are 2, 3, 5, 8, 5. In spot welding, the tip of electrode is of copper. 26. 25. In spot welding, spacing between two spot welds should not be less than 3D, যেখানে ডিটা হলো ইলেকট্রোড টিপ ডায়ামিটার। ইন স্পট ওয়েল্ডিং দ্য ইলেকট্রোড টিপ ডায়ামিটার ডি শুড বি ইকুয়াল টু রুট টি, যেখানে টি হলো থিকনেস অফ প্লেট। মাল্টি স্পট ওয়েল্ডিং প্রসেস ইজ প্রজেকশন ওয়েল্ডিং। কন্টিনিউয়াস স্পট ওয়েল্ডিং প্রসেস ইজ সিম ওয়েল্ডিং। If two pieces of different metals are to be welded by projection welding, then the projection should be made on the metal pieces having higher conductivity. Welding process used for joining round bar is seam welding. Seam welding used for metal sheets having the thickness in the range 0.025 to 3 mm. In projection welding, Diameter of the projection as compared to thickness of the sheet is approximately equal. Welding of steel structure on site of building is done by arc welding. In arc welding, the electric arc is produced between the work and the electrode by contact resistance. 35. In arc welding, the temperature of heat of arc is in the range of 6000 থেকে 7000 degree centigrade. In arc welding, current used in DC current. In arc welding, with increase of thickness of material to be welded, the welding current requirement increases. 38. In arc welding, too low welding speed result in wastage of electrode, excessive piling up the weld metal, overhauling without penetration edges, all of the above. 39. Welding preferred for joining thin foils is gas welding, X-ray and gamma ray, na microwave, na all of the above, microwaves. The transfer of metal from the electrode occurs due to molecular attraction in metallic welding. Welding process using a pool of molten metal is submerged arc welding. Welding process in which flux is used in the form of granules is submerged arc welding. An arc is produced between the bare metal electrodes and the work is submerged arc welding. 44. Welded rod coated with fluxing material is used in shielded arc welding. 45. In arc welding, eyes need to be protected against infrared and ultraviolet rays. 46. In which type of welding a pool of molten metal is used? Submerged arc. Plain and butt welds may be used on materials up to approximately 25 mm thick. Main criteria for selection of electrodes diameter in arc welding is thickness of material. Which of the following current is preferred for welding of non-ferrous metal by arc welding? DC. In arc welding, air is created between the electrode and work by contact resistance. Open circuit voltage for arc welding is of the order of 40 to 95 volts. 52. Material used for coating the electrode is called flux. 53. Plug weld joint is used to join two pieces of metal in the same manner as rivet joint metal. Welding process using non-consumable electrode is TIG welding. When welding is going on, arc voltage is of the order of 18 to 40 volt. Gases used in tungsten inert gas welding are argon and helium. T-joint weld is used where longitudinal shear is present. In MIG welding, even uncleaning surface can be welded to obtain sound weld. Copper is very difficult to be spot welded. It is not possible to arc weld all type of metal with transformer set because it does not have provision for control of current, na control of voltage, na control of time duration, na change of polarity. 61. Two sheets of same material but different thickness can be butt welded by changing the size of the one electrode. Projection welding is multi-spot welding process. Half corner welded is used to none of the above. 64. In resistance welding, voltage is used for heating is 10 volt. 65. In resistance welding, the pressure is released after the weld cools. Grey cast iron is best welded by oxyacetylene. Seam welding is continuous spot welding process. 60 is up to what thickness of plate the edge preparation for welding is not required. 4 mm. Preheating is essential in welding cast iron. The grey cast iron is usually welded by gas welding. Brazing metals and alloys commonly used are copper, copper alloy, silver alloy, all of the above. The forge welding is best suited for wrought iron. Two sheets of different materials but same thickness can be spot welded by changing the size of electrode. Welding process in which electrode is not consumed in tungsten inert gas welding. A non-consumable electrode is used in argon arc welding. A consumable electrode is used in MIG welding. Voltage drop across the arc between the two electrodes known as arc voltage increase as the arc length increases. In arc welding using direct current, amount of useful arc heat at the anode and cathode respectively are 2/3 and 1/3. 79. In arc welding using AC, amount of useful heat at the anode and cathode respectively are equal. In TIG arc welding, the welding zone is shielded by an atmosphere of either A or B অর্থাৎ helium gas অথবা argon gas. TIG welding is preferred for aluminium. Mild steel, silver, না all of the above. Answer হবে aluminium. Welding process preferred for cutting and welding for non-ferrous metal is inert gas arc welding. When the work is connected to the negative terminal and the electrode holder to the positive terminal, the welding setup is said to have reverse polarity. When the work is connected to the positive terminal and electrode holder to a negative terminal, the welding setup is said to have straight polarity. In welding copper alloy, the TIG welding are used direct current with reverse polarity. না direct current with straight polarity, না AC is used, না all of the above. Answer হবে direct current with straight polarity is used. In welding magnesium with TIG welding, direct current with reverse polarity is used. 87. In welding aluminium with TIG arc welding, AC is used. In arc welding, penetration is deeper for DCSP, direct current straight polarity. In arc welding, penetration is minimum for DCRP, মানে direct current reverse polarity. Welding process in which heat is produced for welding by chemical reaction is known as thermit welding. Molten metal is poured for joining the metal in thermit welding. 92. In thermit welding, heat is generated from chemical reaction involving finely divided aluminium and iron oxide. In thermit welding, thermit used is mixture of aluminium and iron oxide. In thermit welding, aluminium and iron oxide are mixed in the proportion of 1:3. তার মানে অ্যালুমিনিয়াম 1 আর আয়রন হলো 3% হিসাবে মেশানো হয় 1:3 হিসাবে. Thermit welding is used for joining rail track frames, broken motor casting, repairing broken shear, repairing broken gear teeth, না all of the above. In thermit welding, weld cooled uniformly, all parts of weld section are molten at the same time. The problem with internal residual stresses is minimum, না all of the above. Answer হবে all of the above. 97. Welding process which employs exothermal chemical reaction for developing heat temperature is higher temperature is thermit welding. Grey iron is generally welded by gas welding. In gas welding, maximum flame temperature occurs at inner cone. In gas welding, flame temperature of the oxyacetylene gas is 3200 degree centigrade. Acetylene gas is stored in the cylinder in liquid form. Chemical used in producing acetylene gas is crushed bone. Low pressure acetylene is produced at the welding site by chemical reaction between water and calcium carbide. In gas welding, the maximum thickness of material which can be welded with a 30 mm diameter welding rod is 3 mm. Filler material is essentially used in gas welding. Generally, the oxyacetylene welding is done with the neutral flame. 107 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, নিউট্রাল ফ্লেম is obtained by supplying equal volume of oxygen and acetylene. Oxidizing flame is obtained by supplying more volume of oxygen and less volume of acetylene. Carburizing flame is obtained by supplying more volume of acetylene and less volume of oxygen. Oxidizing flame is compared to neutral flame, has inner cone, less luminous and shorter, মানে both A and B দুটোই হবে. Neutral flame is used to weld copper or brass, cast iron না steel না all of the above. All of the above. Rate of welding steel by carburizing flame is compared to neutral flame is more. Oxidizing flame is used to weld brass, copper, bronze না all of the above. All of the above. Carburizing flame is used to weld steel, copper, etc., brass and bronze, hard surfacing materials such as scheelite না all of the above. Answer হবে C. Ratio of oxygen and acetylene to complete combustion is 2.5:1. 116 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, in gas welding using oxygen and acetylene cylinder, pressure of gas is more in oxygen cylinder. Temperature of oxy-hydrogen flame as compared to oxy-acetylene flame is less. Ends of two pipes of uniform cross section are welded by offset butt welding. The name keyhole welding refers to projection welding. Black color is generally painted in oxygen cylinder. Maroon color is generally painted in acetylene cylinder. If the weld is made from right to left, it is known as forehand welding. If the weld is made from left to right, it is known as backhand welding. If the weld is made either from left to right or from right to left, it is known as vertical welding. Vertical welding is not required to plate edge preparation for thickness up to 16 mm. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং চ্যানেলে যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকো তো চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে অবশ্যই প্রেস করে দিও, যাতে পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সাথে পরের ভিডিওতে। ততক্ষণ সুস্থ থেকো, ভালো থেকো।